Hi friends, this is Sheldon aka Psychosymmetry, and today I'm gonna show you how I design clothing brand or streetwear using AI in 2025. Also, check out my store for free mockup that I'm gonna use in this video. You can use it whatever you want, be it for your project or personal stuff. So please subscribe if you wanna see more of this kind of video, and let's go. So the AI I'm using is from Bing. They have their own free AI image generator and the links is down below. What I like about this AI generator is that it's free. Yeah, you heard that right, bro. However, despite being free, there are some cons that I don't really like. For example, you can't really set the size or dimension of the image you want, and also I found that it's difficult to do something like futuristic or cyberpunk using this AI, or maybe just my prompt issue. You can find the prompt I'm using down at the link below. It's basically just something medieval slash Elden Ring or Dark Souls type, and I have to add my favorite mangaka, which is Kentaro Miura, for the berserk style. And the main idea I want to go with this one is something dark, and however it's a Christian clothing brand, so mixing something metal, gothic, and using a Christian element to it. For the document setting, I usually use 3508 x 4961 or A3 size in 300 dpi. We'll then take the image that we have downloaded, and we'll be using a normal round brush just to mask off the sides if you need it. For my case, I don't need it, and in the end I'll be removing it all at once. And to fix the center thorn, I'll be using the side thorn and just duplicate it and then just brush it to match everything so that it blends well together. For this design, I want to use screen print for the printing. Therefore, I use filter gallery, add a grain and stamp effect on it, and adjust it according to your liking. You can copy the things or the value that I use here. Then I'll just select all the black or the white and just inverse it. And I'll do the same for the mid and the high tone so that you can separate the color better later. I then went ahead to Pinterest and find a cool color palette that I like and copy and paste it at the side as reference. We then use color picker or create solid color and just pick on the color reference that we've made, and then we just mask it to the layer that you have made for the low, mid, and the high tone. And originally I thought I just want to use just one subject. However, I find it is a bit too empty, so let's use another image that we have downloaded from the AI image generator, and I'll be using this rounded subject as the background. And we'll be repeating the same process we made just now, where we used grain and stem effect to create this threshold effect. And we'll be using the color picker as well and the solid color layer to create the color for the background. And I realized that the first subject is transparent, as in I've removed all the black, therefore I removed the mask layer for the low tone so that it creates like a separation and you can differ the subject, foreground and the background. To top it off, what is a graphic tee without large text, am I right? So the name of the font is no mark, and I chosen this word agony to become the centerpiece or the main text for this. I also play around with the blending option so that the background can like see through or like pick through some of the text. I think it gives a better depth to the artwork itself. And personally, I like to add more small details like wording and vector logo or whatever to make the t-shirt looks more complete, not just a picture and a text. I then group all the layers that we have done and then mask a texture layer like this one to give it like a weathered or grainy or like a vintage look to it. Then you can just merge everything into one and select black and mask it out or just delete it, and then you can copy the PNG or the layer that you have removed all the blacks and just use the mockup that I prepared and just toggle the white or black shirt wherever you want, and make sure to turn it to screen mode if you want to use the black tee, and just add the artwork and save it, and there you go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. That's all what we have for today. Make sure you download my mockup, please subscribe and likes and comment down below, and see you on the next one. Bye.